How to fix an internal error has occurred, 0x80070716, for Windows backup. 1. Delete both valid config and valid system image backup at hkey_local_machine /software/Windows/current version/Windows backup in registry settings. Plan B, set 0. To those two entries and select hexadecimal. 2. Check the status of Windows backup service, make it run manually. 3. Try some other Windows backup alternatives on the web. 4. Reset, reinstall your system.